Welcome to my channel Ramya's Recipes. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare mint coriander chicken fry. Ingredients you need: chicken 750 grams, 1 cup coriander, 1 cup mint, 4 to 5 green chilies. Grind these 3 ingredients into a fine paste. Curd 3 teaspoons and grinded paste. Salt 2 teaspoons. Chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Garam Masala powder 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Oil half cup. Lemon juice 3 to 4 teaspoons. Take chicken into a mixing bowl. Add pudina paste, ginger garlic paste, curd, salt, chilli powder, garam masala powder and lemon juice. Now mix well. Marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Heat oil in a pan. Once oil is heated, add marinated chicken pieces to the oil. After adding all the chicken, cover the lid. Cook for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Chicken and curd leaves more water, so no need to add water. Remove the lid and cook on a high flame for few minutes until all the moisture evaporates. After few minutes, mix once and keep frying on a high flame for another few minutes. Once all the moisture evaporates, reduce the flame to medium. Cover the lid and cook until all the water absorbs. Once all the water absorbs, remove the lid and mix once. Cover the lid and cook for another 5 minutes until chicken cooks well. After 5 minutes, remove the lid, flip all the chicken pieces and fry until slightly roasted. Make sure all the chicken pieces are slightly roasted on both the sides. Once all the chicken pieces are slightly roasted, turn off the stove and leave it for a minute. Now you can transfer chicken into a serving plate. Mint coriander chicken fry is ready. Thanks for watching. Please click on bell icon, like and subscribe RR into your kitchen.